Hi, I'm Darlene and welcome back to Super 60. I am so happy you're here today. I have so much planned for this day, starting with a fantastic antique hunt with my husband Lou, and who knows where the rest of the day will bring us. I know we're gonna hit at least 2 grocery stores, and I sure hope that I'm gonna be able to get our evening's meal in for you tonight on this video because it is really yummy and delicious. So come along with us, have a great time, and hey, if you haven't pressed that like and subscribe button, I would love for you to do that and be a part of our friendship here at Super at 60. Micah, he loves these, and those are $1.19. All right, we'll grab one of these. Always nice to have in the house. Come on. Okay, $1.99. All right, here's something new to me. Florida pine berries for $4.99. Get just a few of these. They're very pretty, but they look like underripe strawberries. Oh well, not today. All right, $2.89. These are the best. Love these caracara. All right, we'll get some spinach for $1.29. All right, I'm going to try out this kombucha, I guess it's called. Ginger. We'll see how that is. That was about $2, $2.30. And that little goat cheese there, the cranberry goat cheese, was 65 cents. All right, get some chips for $2.95. All right, let's get some beef broth for $1.79 for a beef pot pie I have coming up. Okay, $2.95 for some light brown organic sugar. And some pecan halves, $16.99. I don't think so. All right, we'll get a some deodorant for $3.47. All right, here is a great deal for 50% off organic grass-fed pot roast. That right there is less than $20 for all 3 of those. All right, this looks good. Tomato soup for $2.98. Try that. Every time I see these little stools, I feel like I have to go milk a cow. All right, great price on pies if you need any. And they got a good amount of them too. All right, we get some blueberries for $2.49. That's pretty good. Some blueberry muffins. All right, look, this is the first time I've seen these soup veggies. I keep hearing about them. It's got everything all chopped up in there that you need. Just add some stock and some meat. And I think that will probably make a very delicious soup. All right, that is a very good price on orange juice. And I always like to have a glass every once in a while. So we'll get some of that. All right, here is another great deal. I am glad I came out just for this alone. The butters, salted and unsalted, are $2 a pound. Yep, you know I'm going home with these. Okay, and I'm gonna pick up a few of the unsalted butters as well. These freeze beautifully. All right, we have some deals on eggs this morning. That is 1 dozen, $3.65. We have 18 egg count for $5.47, and our 2% milk at $1.68. I'm snagging one of each. Tortillas here for Lou's lunch, $3.98. These are so pretty. I'm gonna get one of each of these and send them to my grandsons, and they'll have so much fun making those for Valentine's Day. Great. All right, this is always a great deal if you're looking for organic beef. All right, I'm gonna grab one of these for $12.99. I know that's high, it's organic, but they're usually anywhere from $16 to $19.99. Tiny little whipped cream here for my mocha frappuccinos, which I promise you I am going to show you. Yeah, I've been wanting a cooling rack, and here they have one for 99 cents. All right, let's hit this up with a little salt and pepper. And I like to do both sides, just like that. And also, I think I'll add a little bit of garlic powder. Just like garlic powder. I'm going to throw a little bit over my onions as well. Alright, then I'm going to turn it over, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well. I'm so excited today. I snagged 3 of these beautiful pot roasts, grass-fed, all organic, for 50% off. Here's that beautiful jar of lard that I made just recently from rendering down the fat from that big beautiful ham that we purchased. And look how crystal clear everything is. It is a beautiful, beautiful rendering. And I'm going to use some of that right now. Oh, it's perfect. What a great consistency. Just beautiful. I'm going to put that right smack in here and get that going. Oh, it smells wonderful, wonderful. It's gonna be great with this pot roast. All right, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of cream of mushroom soup. All right, that is nice and browned really, really well on both sides. And the last thing I'm gonna do, I have this great big bag of these little carrots. I'm gonna toss them in. It can kind of be a little side vegetable tonight, although I am gonna prepare another little side for us with some sweet potatoes. And what do you see what I do with them? I forgot I had just a little bit of extra wine left over from, a couple nights ago. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that into our beautiful sauce here. And that will be so, so good. you, it has been one heck of a busy day, but a good day, a good day. And I did promise you that mocha frappuccino. It is so easy to make. I drink them often. I love them. I hope you'll enjoy them. Begin with about 6 or 7 ice cubes, followed by about 3/4 cups of milk. You can use half and half, or whipped milk, or almond milk, whatever you like. And then about the same amount, 3/4 of a cup, of your favorite nice coffee. I save what's left over in the morning of mine. And then I like to add about a tablespoon of nice hot fudge syrup. You can also use the Hershey syrup as well. That works just as fine. And a tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk. Give it a stir, twist the top on, and give it a good shake. And then put it into whatever blender that you have, and just let it go just for a couple seconds, just so that you don't hear the ice cubes smashing up against the sides. And just take a look, and oh, it is beautiful, so lovely. You'll swear there's ice cream in there. It is so creamy and delicious. Don't forget a squirt of the beautiful chocolate syrup right on top of the whipped cream if you like. Toss in a beautiful little straw and enjoy. Well, I am so happy that you joined me today here at Super at 60. It meant a lot to me to have you here and to go all these fun places with us. Now, I had intended to stop at the eyeglass place because I'm getting some new glasses, some everyday glasses, and then also some kind of funky, sporty sunglasses. Yeah, I dropped a small fortune on them, but that's okay. They better be cute. I promise I will show them to you. As soon as they come in, I will show those glasses to you because they really are kind of cute. And yeah, everything, the meal was delicious. And of course, where must straw go? Straw, straw, straw. It's in the cup. I need my glasses. Bye now. I'll see you soon. Lord bless.